If you've started online programs before and you feel totally overwhelmed, I understand. I also nearly gave up before I found the Legacy Builders program. What made the difference is how supportive and simple the whole process is. Once you purchase your program, you can be up and running, making money 24 hours a day on the internet within a matter of days. All you have to do is follow a step-by-step process in video format that'll show you exactly how to promote your business on social media platforms. No second guessing, no sum thucking, just a simple system that works. My website is already set up for me. One click on a link and it's there, ready for me to use. So I don't have to be a tech expert. If you are coachable and consistent, put ready in the comments and get a great product with full ownership